2026 is a year of inner strength and quiet rebuilding for the Ox. Hindi ito flashy year, pero napakalalim. Parang naglalagay ka ng matibay na pundasyon habang ang iba ay nagmamadali sa surface. This is the year you learn that slow energy is still powerful energy. What to watch out for? Stubbornness. Kapag masyado kang kumapit sa old ways, pwede mong mamiss ang new opportunities. Fire horse energy is fast and impulsive habang ikaw ay steady and cautious. Ang challenge ay alamin kailan mag-bend without breaking. Ang taon ng Fire Horse ay hindi para sa instant money or instant returns para sa Ox. Mas maigi i-take ang iyong time in building something that lasts. Slow pero steady. Best year for saving, investing wisely, and skill building. Promotions come slowly but permanently. You gain trust, not just titles. Good for careers in finance, education, real estate, healthcare, administration, crafts. Love and relationships. Ang dapat focus mo sa iyong relationships. Emotional safety. Para sa Ox, 2026 ay all about feeling secure, hindi lang puro kilig. Ang mga single pwede makakilala ng mature, stable partners. Mas likely through work or family connections. Couples dapat palakasin and pagsasama through shared responsibilities o interests. Kapag nagbibuild kayo together, mas tumitibay ang pagtingin, maging mas open. Silence can feel safe, but connection needs expression. Health and energy. Ang health ng mga Ox mas makaka-benefit on routine, not extremes. Watch out for digestive issues. Lower back, knees, fatigue. Mahalaga ang regular sleep. Kumain ng mainit na food, physical exercise, lucky colors para sa Ox. Earth brown, jade green cream. Lucky direction, northeast, wisdom. Center, stability. Lucky months. February, May, August, December. Challenging months, April, July, October. Mga kahanswerte, kung kayo may katanungan o issue sa life or gusto nyo personal guidance ngayong 2026 sa inyong career, negosyo, or love life, message me, Master Hans Kua, ang Feng Shui Master na pinaka-pinagkakatiwalaan. Magpa-schedule na